Hello everybody, I am back with a little how-to. Even though I've already done it, I'm going to explain to you how to do it. I actually saw it from somebody on, I think it was Pinterest or one of those YouTube things that popped up. But I thought it was a cute idea. I have seen these in videos with real baby nurseries. They're the little rainbow macrame things. Well, I don't have all the colors, so I didn't do that. But you get some of, I've got this stuff. It's like cotton, let's see, what's it called? It's cotton, recycled cotton, and you can get it in different thicknesses, and depending on how big, on how fluffy you want this to be, is what you'll get. I just wanted to make a little one, so I got this is 2.5 ounces, there's 117 yards. I don't know how thick it is, doesn't say, but it's cotton. I got gray and white, and so I got some of this. If I can find the person that did it, I will link it down below so you can go check them out. And because it's a natural kind of thing, I got some wood beads. I got some of these wood hanger things, which is what I put on mine. And some rope, different length rope. Mine's really skinny, so that's why it's this size. But if I got like thicker rope, like I have this rope, you could use thicker rope. Whatever size rope you want, a comb, you need a needle and thread. Well, you could use this thread, but a hole that will fit it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your rope and cut it in different lengths to make the rainbow part. And so I only did 4. There's actually 7. I only did 4 of them. So you're gonna, the different lengths, the 7, how many you want. I was gonna do gray and white because I like the gray and white. And then you are going to make pom-poms. So if this was bigger, you're gonna make bigger or more of these pom-poms to hook onto it. But you're gonna wrap. Use this cotton and you're just going to wrap the rope. So you're just gonna take it and just wrap it all the way around the length of it. Okay, you're going to do that all the way around to all the ones that you want to do, all the colors you want to do, how many there are or whatever. Then you're going to make your pom-poms. I haven't cut mine, and you can make them fluffy or whatever, kind of take them apart and fluff them. But then you are, and it's not very pretty on the back side. I don't know how they sewed it. They sewed it really small so you don't see this, but I just did it so you're gonna sew them together. I would actually almost hot glue them together very scarcely, you know, do a dab, which I probably will do. I got this on, so I'll put a little dab in there and a little dab in there and hold it so it holds its shape. I didn't sew it all the way up. I only went like halfway, and then I sewed a string up through the top to hook on my little thing. So that's how I did mine, and I want this to be fluffier, but it says to use a comb to comb it out, a thin comb to comb it out, but if you do it too much, it's going to pull them out. So, and I'm not going to sit here and do this. So, and I don't want them to come out, so I just did them like that and just kind of fluff them up. So I'm going to hang this up in my little nursery over there, and I got to trim these little things off the back, trim the little strings that hang. But isn't that cute? It's a cute little, if you're expecting a baby or whatever, you make your own. This is so easy. Just wrap the rope, figure out your colors you want, and all that. So if you're gonna do have a rainbow baby or what have you, I've had a couple like that. So I just thought this would be fun to put in my nursery over there for my baby dolls. So yeah, it's kind of fun. And I'm probably gonna put some more hot glue in here because it's still kind of popping out. I don't want it to pop out. So yeah, so if you're a little crafty, this is really easy. I mean, it's really, really easy, and it's so cute. So I hope you enjoyed. I thought I'd come on and show you what it looks like. My little, I'll try to link. I have the directions on my phone, so I will try to link. I'm gonna see if it has her channel or her thing. If it's Pinterest or wherever it is, I'll link it so you can watch it. So it's really fun. So there you go. So fun. And we shall see you soon. Bye now.